Oh well, I thought there would have been a king tide here. The ocean was that noisy last night. Taking the dogs for a walk. We haven't done it for a while, it's been that fucking cold, but beautiful day today. Beautiful. Big waves. Waves. Be good, Branch. This is working good. And you both for a walk. And he's been pretty good. So far. Right. Oh yeah, so lockdown. This is people's not, staying home like there's a boogeyman virus. Hey guys. Beautiful. Beautiful day at the beach. Good. Doesn't look like there's any wicker structures around. There was last year all the time. I don't know what the hell that was. Oh, Bruni's getting scared of water. Oh, water was coming close, Brune. Yeah, a lot of the beach has been washed away actually. Yeah, it's normally a lot wider than this. Yeah. Oh, well, it'll come back. The waves seem to be coming in real close today. Should be able to see the oil rigs out there. Right. There we are. The dogs and me on the beach during an apocalypse. Once again, lockdown. But I don't know. Everything seems fine. Haven't seen anyone dropping dead yet. Everyone's fine down here. Down on the coast. Nothing to worry about. Yeah. Oh God. I haven't walked on the beach for months. Walked on the lake a couple of times. But I've got to take it easy, this friggin' hernia. Oh, what's that? You got to piss on that, Annie? Hey? Yeah. Not much on the beach really. I thought there'd be a lot more shells and seashells on the seashore. Yeah. On we are. Not much at all really. Bit of debris. Yeah, the water come right up to there last night. Really come crashing in. I could hear it from my place last night. Yes. Oh, what? That bush is good, is it? A few dogs have been there, I guess. And he's having a piss on it. Look at the ocean. Never get sick of it. It's just so peaceful. You get away from the internet for a while and you forget about the tranquility of nature. Once you're back brain relaxes. Feel calm. But yes, it's been pretty fucked for everyone else in Victoria. Having a lockdown. Having to shut their businesses again and again. Having a mask up. Abide by curfews. 5 mile radius in Melbourne areas. Oh well, nothing new. Yep. Cops being thugs again. Nothing new. This is a new normal that they want us to embrace. Well, I'm not embracing it. No way. Oh, a bit of seaweed. Eh? Oh, you gotta piss on that, Annie? Yeah. That's it, buddy. Yeah. Oh well. Things look pretty much the same down here as they were last time. All looks pretty much the same. That's it with nature. Nature doesn't change. Society does. How far are we going? Oh, yeah. About a mile. I can't go to my mate's funeral because only 10 people are allowed at a funeral. Yeah, I don't know. Are they thylacine prints? Probably not. It's funny that it's by themselves though. There's no human prints with this dog prints. Yeah. Very strange. Those are all the way up there. Okay, we'll go back. Okay guys, come on now. Let's go back. Good dogs. Oh well, that's good. I haven't come across any other dogs. Fuck Annie. Annie sees some puppies. Of course she wants to go and attack them. Mad girl. Bruno's being good. No, we're not going there anyway. We're going up here. We're going back to the car now, guys. No, you cannot attack that puppy. Annie, you've been so good. Now she's pulling me the whole fucking way. Oh, God. Oh, God. Such a nice walk until now. Yeah, she's dragging me the whole fucking way. I think we go up there. Yeah, I'm sure we come down this way. Yeah. Oh, come on, Annie. Fuck. Oh well. Good night to the beach. Good to see people out and about. Come on guys, let's go.